Recently, someone reached out to me on my WhatsApp right here to order for this particular product on Xianyu, and I decided to make a video about it and show you on how you order for goods on Xianyu Chinese shopping app without any stress. Just like what you see on the screen right here, this is the picture of the product from Xianyu right here that was sent to me by the owner of these goods on my WhatsApp right here. So you can see this is when this person contacts me right here. Please, I want to procure an item from Xianyu, and this is the product picture right here, just like what you see right here. And then just like what you see right here, you can see the name of the product and the screenshot that it likes. So the next thing we want to do is to see how we can place order for this particular goods on Xianyu Chinese shopping app. So with that being said, let's get started. So I'm going to access from my WhatsApp right here, and I will go ahead and open up my Xianyu Chinese shopping app right here. Just like so. So I have already sourced for the product on Xianyu right here. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and proceed to place order. So for that, you want to make sure you click on the chat box right here. Go ahead and click on your chat. And here you go. So this is the product right here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the product right here. Click on the seller. So you can see my chat with the seller right here. We have discussed everything about this product right here. We have discussed everything about this product right here. And then if I click on here, you see the product detail on Xianyu Chinese shopping app right here. So just like so. So you can see the product detail right here. Okay, so next thing we want to do is to proceed to payment. So with that being said, let's get started. But before we dive into tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba, JD.com, Xianyu, or Alibaba or AliExpress, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to pay your supplier, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's proceed. So this is the store right here. So next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to chat right here. So I've already discussed everything with the seller right here. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to checkout. So here we go from the checkout right here. So from the checkout right here, you can see I'm paying the sum of 46 yuan to purchase this particular product right here. Next thing I need to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed with payment. Allow the Alipay to connect. Then here you go. You can see the bill right here. So I'm going to screenshot this part of proof of payment right here. The next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to complete my payment. Then enter the payment authorization password. Just like so. Payment done, successful. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and screenshot the proof of payment right here. Then click on here to go back. Then from here, from the seller right here, you can see a proof that we just paid for this order right here. Then for me to see the order we just paid for, click on here to go back, continue to go back, continue to go back. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to click on your profile. Then for you to see the order you just paid for, go ahead and click on here. Then here you go. You have a successful pay order right here. Lastly, I'm going to access from Xianyu and come to my WhatsApp right here and send the proof of payment to the owner of these goods. I'll say payment done and send. It's that simple. If this is exactly you want me to do for you, you want me to pay supplier on Xianyu, Pinduoduo, Taoba, 1688, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, consider to reach out to me on my WhatsApp via the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.